Hey guys, it's Qwerty1 here, and today we're playing another game of Warrior Cats. I kind of got a new avatar. It's a fox. I got others I like, but mainly this is my favorite one. I got a Mick now. Well, yeah. I don't really have to say it. Mike or Mick. So, yeah, let's get going. Fox ran across the road. She didn't like the monsters that were on there, but she had to go on the road. The monsters were called cars and two legs. She was wanting to go under the road until she found a tunnel. She could live here, but she would like a bigger place. She noticed the gathering, but there was no people there. It was not really a gathering. It was where the gatherings are set. So she noticed River Clan. It was such a bigger place. She would like to live in one of the dens. She noticed a mid den and a really big den she could live in. There is food everywhere. She wanted to sleep, but she knew it wasn't time yet. She needed to get more food till the winter starts. She might also go swimming. She liked the ice that would float around. She would like to swim though. She noticed the water was a bit cold, but it's okay. Soon she saw waterfalls. She noticed a barn. She loved barns, especially when they're big. Alrighty guys. I'm gonna end it here. If you want a part 2, please say that down in the comments. See ya! Woo!